Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use Cloud Code with MCP servers. So, what first of all, this is MCP server was like a protocol to enable access external tools and data sources. So, here my cursor is on. See, open the Cloud Code. Okay, so here the Cloud Code was open. So here we can see MCP servers. Okay. Here you can see there is no any MCP servers or any third-party tool with Cloud Code. So I found one of the most used third-party tool like Context 7. Context 7 is a LLM relay outdated generic information to the library to use. Context 7 pulls up-to-date version-specific documents and code example directly from the source. So it is a very useful tool for Cloud Code. It it will enhance the Cloud Code coding capability and all that. So this is the tool. So here we can find its MCP servers on these links, and this is context 7 of MCP server links. Here is the code for cursor, installing in cursor, and here is the code for Cloud Code. So here is the command for configure MCP server in the Cloud Code. So we just need to open the terminal. Now paste this command to the terminal. It will install the MCP server to our Cloud Code. Okay, so MCP server was installed. We can see things like MCP. Sorry, first of all, we can see that. Here we can see that MCP server was connected, context 7. So now we can use this MCP server with our Cloud Code easily. Let me give you one example how we can use it. First, we are going to convert this into plan mode, and I will give the prompt like use context context 7. Right. Okay, use context 7, and in my project I have already authentication flow. So use context 7 and check my authentication flow and make summary dot md file for the changes. So I'll give the prompt like this. So it will analyzing my flow using context 7, and it will be updated document and best practice the example what we can implement. Okay, so he is asking yes. It will check my all the code, and it will compare the latest document with what technology I use in my source code, and this. It is checking all these things with MCP libraries, context 7. So now, as per context 7, they have generated the Claude plan and check my authentication flow and analysis and improvement service summary. So it will generate my what I need to implement in current my code and everything, implementation and critical security issues found. Just give exactly what we need to do as per the documents, as per the context 7. So yes, accept and edit. So now it will generate the summary MD file. So now summary.md file was generated. So it will suggest me like current implementation analysis, architecture component, which framework I use in this code, authentication I use JWT token, but lots of analysis are done by context 7, and critical vulnerabilities found like this. It will suggest what are the risks, what are the impacts. Everything was just using context 7. It has all updated library for most of the languages and most of the frameworks. They are synchronously updating this. So context 7 is very useful for the Claude code to enhance it, because if we are not giving proper context, then it will use our old coding styles and reference to all libraries. Now using context 7 we can use latest libraries and all that, and also ask that like how we what are the suggestions, what are the improvements need to improvements in our code as per the libraries and as per the documentation file. So here they make all the summary. Now you can also plan the implementation priority. Phase 1 you can do like this, phase 2 you can do this, and phase 3 you can do this. So lots of conclusion and everything they are provided. So this is the use of MCP server with Claude. Thank you.